St. Joseph Health Department reporting the county's vaccination rate is now around 38% for initial doses, about 35% fully vaccinated. KQG's Amanda McLean spoke to the director of the department about her reaction to the news that 23,000 more residents had been vaccinated than previously thought.
Local public health officials are excited to see the recent change in vaccination numbers.
I was happy to hear that people were doing what we'd asked them to do, that it was just kind of a validation that people were doing it.
St. Joseph Health Department Director Deborah Bradley says her staff has been working hard between on-site clinics at businesses, pop-up clinics, and fielding interviews with reporters, sometimes on a daily basis. They've been frustrated watching the county vaccination rate hover around 20% for months.
We kept saying, gosh, we've done a lot of vaccines and in our community, and it just didn't seem to be going up as fast as we thought it should have been. But we trusted the system. And so it was quite a surprise to hear that so many of them had not been attributed to Buchanan County until now.
Wednesday, the city reported that the state fixed a slew of software problems and reporting errors.
The largest error they found was that the county was not entered. Period. It was just left blank.
The result was a jump in Buchanan County's vaccination rate from 25% to 40%.
Our community is much safer than we had been led to believe.
To be clear, the total number of Missourians vaccinated was correct, but about 147,000 records were recorded for either the wrong county or no county, including 23,000 people here.
The state had a lot of mass clinics January, February, March, and we had a lot of help from other agencies. And I think that everybody was just going as fast as we could. The system didn't keep up, and nobody knew that these records were just going into this other pot.
Bradley says that while all of that was a surprise, it helped make sense of what we were seeing as far as death, hospitalizations, and cases this summer.
Numbers were looking good as far as number of cases and the number of deaths. And I was continuing to be hopeful that this is a trend that we're going to be on. And, but then on the other side, I'm holding my breath because we had a low vaccination rate.
Bradley says that while she's no longer holding her breath, she's not completely at ease just yet.
If we could get to 50%, that would be great. More is even better, but we'll see.
Reporting, Madeline McLean, KQ2 News.
The health department also reporting that Buchanan County has added 71 new cases since Monday. No new deaths to report. The toll sits at 213, and one new hospitalization brings Mosaic up to 23 COVID-19 patients in isolation at its St. Joseph campus.